Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Castile soap with just 3 ingredients. If it's the first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more interesting video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get started. So here are the things I'm going to be using. I have my gloves on. I have 2 thermometer and a digital scale. And I have my lye, oil and water. And I have my safety goggle on. At this point, I'll be adding my lye to the water. My lye is 58 grams of lye and adding it to the water. And the water is 104 grams of water. So gradually I'll add it to the lye to the water, and making sure that the lye dissolves completely. And not to forget, I'm wearing my nose mask as well to avoid inhaling the lye. After that, I measure it with my thermometer. The oil, I have 425 grams of sunflower. This is sunflower oil, and the temperature of both is between 38 to 43 degrees Celsius. And after measuring my oils, the temperature, and I use a stick blender and gently add the water to the oil and not the other way around. And after adding the lye solution to the oil, then I'm going to be using my stick blender. Using my stick blender, I try mixing it first to make sure I combine the oil and water before blending. And at this point, you have to be patient if you're trying this out. And I blended it for about 10 minutes before I got a trace. And because my silicone mold already has a design on it, so I didn't allow it to get thicker. And at a certain point I had to stop so I can be able to pour it into my soap mold. So after blending for 10 minutes, it got to the consistency I want. Then you can also at this point add your essential oils if you so desire. But for this tutorial, I didn't add anything. And you know your soap has reached trace when you can sprinkle some of the butter to the content and it leaves a trail. Then you know your soap has gotten as traced. So gently pour it into my soap mold. And after pouring into my soap mold, I leave it for 48 hours before unmolding it. So here is my soap after 24 hours. You see it's not hardened yet, it's kind of soft. You can leave it for 48 hours as well to harden very well before bringing it out. But at this point, I'm bringing it out after 24 hours. And I will allow, after bringing it out from the soap mold, and I will leave it for 6 weeks for my soap to cure. And at the end of 6 weeks, the water content in it will evaporate. And then I can start using it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share my videos, like and comment. Share to those you know that will be interested in this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.